Hey, what's going on, folks? Hellbent here, and today I'm going to release my newest script. This one allows you to store multiple entries, multiple clipboard entries, so that way you can pull them back later on whenever you need them. So the link for this will be in the description. It's a link to a pastebin page, so you need to have AutoHotkey already on your computer, but then you just copy and paste this into a new script. If you don't know about AutoHotkey or scripts or anything like that, it's really easy. I'll leave, also in the description, I'll leave 3 30-second videos that cover how to get AutoHotkey, how to create a new script, and how to run that script. Once you're finished with the second video, that's where you'll take the contents of this script that's from the pastebin page, copy it from there, and paste it into your script. And then that's it. Okay, so let's have a look at what this does. So like I said, what this does is it allows me to take the contents of my clipboard and save them for later use. So I'm a slow typer. I like to copy and paste a lot, or I'll have function names or whatever I might need to have a reason of having clips saved for later use. I'll use this for it. So how do I use it? Okay. So all I need to do is first select the thing I want to copy, put in my clipboard. Alright, so I'll copy that, and I'm going to put it in the second position. In order for me to use the plus or minus button, which adds a clip or removes a clip from memory, from being stored, all I have to do is hold Shift. So this way you don't accidentally remove a clip or add a clip that you don't want. So hold Shift, then press plus, and that adds it. Once it's added, I can see by the indicators which positions hold something. If I want to have a quick glance at what the contents are, because obviously I can't really tell what they are from here, I can just hover over Show, and it'll give me a little preview of what it is. And it only gives me like 4 or 5 lines of it. So if I want to see, if I want to see the whole thing, I can just click on the Show, and that'll pop up this. And now I know what's in that. If I want to use that particular clip, I can select the clip I want, hit Clip. Now that's in my clipboard, and I can just paste it until the cows come home. This interface is built so that way even if another window is designated as always on top, this one will still put itself on top of that window. So even if this window here was always on top, this isn't going to get buried on me. It's always going to be there. But, I mean, it's in my way. How am I going to type with this in my way? Well, all you have to do is anywhere within this, I can right click and it'll shrink it down to a little tab. So now that it's shrunk down, I can move it, keep it out of the way. And when I'm ready to use it, I can right click it and expand it back out. Get whatever I need, right click it, and then I'm back doing things. Okay, so one of the best things about this, though, is if you're working on a long-term project or whatever, and you have all these clips that you want to keep saved for later use, you don't want to have to add them again, whatever, no problem. Exit the script, no problem. When next time you load it up, it's still going to remember. It still remembers what I saved. So that's it. Like I said, links in the description. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and usually I'm pretty good at getting back to you. But anyways, peace. I'm out.